Hey everyone, welcome to How Ines Rolls. I'm gonna get out of the kitchen because we just went and picked up some food for another mukbang. So you guys come join us while we have some QDOBA. We just got our food and we are so hungry. Paul and Jonas, they went and picked it up, and so we have it here. How's your lunch? Good? Yes, I got my soda. So, do you have a QDOBA by you guys, where you live? Because QDOBA is a little bit like Chipotle. If you've ever been to a Chipotle, how'd you get two juices?
Jonas got one.
Oh, okay.
So, Jonas sacrifices juice for the greater good.
Wow. So this is looking really good.
It's like a build your own Mexican place, build your own burrito, or whatever place.
That's good. So I got a steak bowl that had like all of my favorite toppings in it, and if you've ever been to Chipotle, their steak is really good. It's also pretty spicy. So QDOBA is, it doesn't have the spice, it's just the grilled steak. So I appreciate that. Plus, another thing that I like about QDOBA is I can get guacamole and it's not an additional charge. Normally if you go to like Chipotle, you have to pay more money for it. So, kind of glad. Jonas was really hungry, to the point he was a little bit hangry.
What'd you get, Ez?
I got a quesadilla with some chips.
And Jonas got the same quesadilla, but he got chicken in his. So their quesadillas and their chips, I think, is a really good price for what they get. It's like $5. And normally when you eat in, though, doesn't it seem like you get more chips?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we got an extra bag of chips on the side. And Paul, he got a burrito bowl with chicken and his favorite toppings like veggies and salsas and queso, and he loves all of that.
Yeah. So we don't get the spicy meat here, so I have to get the spicy salsa.
Yeah. You guys see what I have? Oh, the Dr. Pepper with the cream soda. Too bad I can't taste it.
You like it?
Yep.
So good. You know, it's like quiet that they're hungry. I need to do another grocery haul where we can pick it up or something, because I'm running low on snacks for the kids. So one of the things I bought for the lunch is, can you see those? Oh yes, brownies and chocolate chip cookies. Oh, that looks so good. Thank you very much. None for you guys, all for Mom. What?
I can't eat them anyways.
Isn't it funny that I keep going, like I can taste it? Taste has memory, you guys, so, our memory has taste. You know what I mean. Jonas seems to be done. So it's just gonna be us slow pokes.
Thank you very much.
Oh, thank you very much.
So with the bowls, the burrito bowls, you know, there's no tortilla, but if you get chips, you can eat them like kind of like a dip, where you just dip your chip in, and it's good.
Very good. And I always feel like eating this, well, normally I probably would have put less sour cream if I was there, but I always feel like it's not like super heavy on me, like oh, I just ate too much cheese, or I just had too much of this, or whatever it is that makes my tummy feel icky or heavy. I always feel like these are pretty good ingredients.
Mhm.
This is good.
You can definitely taste quality.
And this was the first time that I ordered off their app. Normally we just go in and get it, but we're just making more effort to pick up our meals. Which one do you think you're gonna choose, the brownie or the cookie?
Well, the first thing I would do.
The cookie?
Yep.
Those cookies look good.
Mhm.
Brownies too, actually.
Those brownies remind me of cosmic brownies.
Cosmic brownies are little Debbie's that have like the little rainbow sprinkled chips on it or whatever. Like the chocolate chips, but they're like rainbow.
They're actually pretty good.
They are good.
Mhm.
You put enough chocolate and sugar in something that's good.
Then everything we eat is good. Actually, I've been craving like homemade desserts recently.
Well, this doesn't have sugar in it. It's good.
I know, I was teasing.
I'd say 99% of things taste better when they're homemade. But a good restaurant with good food, it's almost like homemade.
Yeah.
When they're using good ingredients.
Yeah. I kind of like the ambiance. Like I like going out and sitting with our friends or just sitting with our family and just talking or watching people enjoy their meals. I love all of that. That was fun to go out for your birthday.
Yes.
That was nice.
What I'm really craving is Juan's Flaming Fajitas.
Oh yeah, that's a good place.
Now, if you guys have watched some of our older videos, I do some favorite eat places, which I'll probably do some more of those in the future. But the last time we went there and I filmed at Juan's, remember what happened? The waiter spilled hot salsa on me. Ah!
And gave you a free meal.
Free meal. But no, it's still, I've been back a bunch of times after that, and it's still very, very good.
That was one of Isaiah's last meals with us.
Was it? My goodness.
Yeah. It was almost a year and a half ago.
Wow. I've had lots of people wish me well, and I am doing so much better, you guys. The only thing I'm not a huge fan of are like these big chunks of onions. So I like scoot them to the side. Dad loves grilled onions.
I do. Like mixed in with like grilled onions on a burger, so good. Or onions and bell peppers in like a fajita, it's awesome.
Yeah. Me, not so much. Not a fan.
You do like onion rings.
I know. That's weird, huh? To have onion rings and love them.
Ooh, you know what's good?
Hmm.
The Awesome Blossom onion pills at Chili's.
Ooh.
Is that what they're called?
Yeah, that was good. Yep. Or Outbacks.
Mm.
Those are good.
Light bulb.
Light bulb. Uh-oh.
Why don't you make an Awesome Blossom for the channel?
I'm surprised we haven't made one of those to begin with.
A little selfish. I mean, I feel like I'm benefiting from this, but I think that's it. I challenge you to do that.
Oh, a challenge, you guys. Well, I guess we'll have to do some research. It doesn't seem like it would be that hard.
I bet it's not.
Huh.
The chips are good.
They do have good chips.
Their chips are corn tortilla chips
Mm-hmm.
with a lime salt on them.
Is it lime salt or just salt with the lime juice on it?
Well, it's one way or the other.
There's a hint of lime there somewhere.
But it's not like when you go to the store and buy bag chips with the lime in them. Because that's like a powder.
Mm-hmm.
This is like, I think they must use real lime juice to season the salt or something.
Mm.
I'm done.
Are you?
Yep.
You wanna have your cookie?
Yep.
Jonas came back for dessert.
It's like my little table.
You know what, Ezra? Pretty soon it's just gonna be the three of us having dinners, because all your brothers are gonna be grown up and moved out. Are you okay with that?
Yeah. Totally.
By the time he's older, though, he'll probably be like, ugh, not wanting to talk to us.
He gets there sometimes anyways, no?
That's true.
No, I'll come down to eat.
Hmm.
I love to eat.
Do you guys have a local place that you love getting like your Mexican food from, or do you like a chain? I could eat Mexican food every day. Easy. Every single day.
I have a coworker that was from the Boston area, and he said when he lived back in Boston, or that Rhode Island, Boston area, that the most, or what they called Mexican food was basically Chili's.
Chili's?
Which Chili's does serve some Mexican food,
They do.
but it's not like.
But isn't Chili's more known for like their ribs and stuff?
Yeah, it's almost like
An
a
American.
variety,
Maybe he was talking about like they do have like that queso dip.
and they have fajitas.
Oh, they do have fajitas. You're right. Okay, so wow, that very limited exposure to some Mexican
And
food.
he said they had some Taco Bell, and I was like, come on, man, Taco Bell's not Mexican food. You know, a place like Fausto's or
Fausto's.
the Fausto's, and then Juan's on the high end. I say
Yeah, right. Hearts. That's a good one.
You can just, I don't know. I guess normal local fast food tacos and things. It's just ground beef with a little taco seasoning in them and some cheese, and it's not like. I don't know.
What's your favorite Mexican food? Tell me in the comments below. I love reading them. Ooh, I'm almost done.
You know what I like is street tacos.
Oh, street tacos. Do you remember we did that one video where we, it was favorite eats, like the best tacos or something like that? Didn't we do that? I know we went to Taco y Taco.
Taco taco's good.
It's good. It's intimidating though to go order from a place where, like, you have to know what you want. You have to get in the different lines and like just tell them what you want, and you want like 2 of these tacos, or you want an elote or something.
And they have a line for only al pastor, a line for only carne asada, and a line for only pollo.
So it gets a little like jumbled because everybody doesn't really know what they want.
Yeah, so you gotta go, if you want a pork taco, you have to go to the al pastor line. And you order 2 pork tacos. And then, but I want a pollo taco also. So then you gotta go to the next line, and the whole time you're thinking, how are they gonna keep track of all my food that I'm ordering, you know, for the family or whatever. And when you get to the end, it's all good. Don't they have like carne asada fries there too?
I'd love to try like a carne asada fry, but I would probably be the only one that really likes it because they do put a lot of like guacamole, sour cream, and I'm the only one in my family that likes that. So, and their portions are always so big, like at Fausto's. So I couldn't even eat one whole one like that. It's kind of a waste of money. But
It'll be good.
uh-oh, Paul's wheels are turning.
Five Guys fries
Mmm.
with homemade grilled carne asada.
Mmm. Make them ourselves. You know, another thing that I've been thinking about doing, which I know we haven't done, is make a poutine and do a video on that. Which, let me know if you live in a region where that's very popular, poutine. It's not here. You just can't go and buy poutine fries or whatever.
No, we need a Five Guys closer so their fries can be the base to all of our meals.
I know, because by the time we bring them back, they're not quite the same. I guess we could air fry them and crisp them up
Yeah.
a little.
Five Guys is definitely. Ooh, their fries are so good.
Ezzy, are you all done?
Yeah.
But there's also a place called and I think the Phillips did a video on it, and we were there for one of their videos for Big B's,
Oh, Big B's. Yes, they have really good fries.
and their fries are almost the same
At Five
as
Guys.
Five Guys. I'd say, I mean, they're probably made the same way. Man, they're good.
They are delicious. Oh, I think I'm done.
No.
I am.
So, Ezzy, are you looking forward to back to school? I know we talked about that a little bit, but what grade are you going to be in?
Second.
Second grade. So, if I know he's said it before, but he'd like to still keep doing homeschooling, and we'll keep seeing if we could do that. We're gonna find out. I know our school district is busy making arrangements with next school year, so this will be all very interesting also. So let me know if your school districts have already made some plans for next year and have starting to implement that. We're still in limbo, so we don't know, but we'll find out soon enough. But I think we're just staying home and resting and hanging out as a family. Quarantine hasn't been bad. I mean, we've been just kind of doing some card games, and we did a lot of that at the beginning. But this time around, we're just kind of hanging out. So if you have any questions, let us know.
What you got? You need help?
Where should we do our next mukbang? Hopefully they'll have dessert.
Perfect idea. I want.
Juan?
That
Ooh.
Lance has curbside to go.
They do. Brownie's pretty good.
Olive Garden's an option.
Our favorite Olive Garden. I love it.
Sure, we'll figure something out. So make suggestions.
Yes. And thanks for hanging out with us. We have dwindled in numbers. It's like a date. It's just the two of us. So give this video a thumbs up and let us know some of your favorite restaurants that maybe we'll check out in our future mukbang. So have a wonderful day, rollers, and stick around. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone.